Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how you can install Wacom tablet driver. Okay, so before starting this tutorial, let me tell you you can use your tablet without installing this driver software which you have. But if you want to use or configure your tablet, then you need to install this software. Okay, so let's begin this. Okay, so first of all, connect your tablet to your PC or laptop, then insert the software which you have or which came with this tablet, or you can also download software or driver for this tablet. If software DVD didn't came with your tablet, then you can easily download the software or driver from the official website of Wacom tablet. Just go to the website and you can find it easily. Okay, so just because we have this DVD, the software DVD, which is given by Wacom tablet actually. So just insert this DVD in your CD-ROM or DVD-ROM. Then let's see. Okay, so after inserting your DVD, you will see a window like this. This is the autoplay window actually. If you didn't get this window, then you can go to my computer and then right click here and click on install or run program for your media. Okay, so let's click here. Okay, very soon you will see this screen. Now simply click here install tablet. You can also click these options which says important product information or getting started. So simply click here actually install tablet because we want to install the required software and drivers. So click here install tablet. And yeah guys, one more thing I want to share with you. You do not need to install the driver and software for using this tablet, because if you're using Windows, then the driver will be installed automatically when you will insert the USB cable. Okay, so it is not necessary to install this software or driver for using this Wacom tablet. But if you want to configure this tablet, then you must install this software. So simply click here install tablet, and here you have two options, left-handed and right-handed. If you are left-handed, then you need to select this option, or you can go with this if you are right-handed. Okay, so just because I write with my right hand, so I am selecting here right-handed. Then click here, then continue, accept. And the installation part has begun, so it will take some time, I think. As you can see, I don't know what is this HID complaint device. Maybe it is some kind of driver, so it automatically installed. It redirects us in official website of Wacom tablet. Okay, so I'm going to close this because this is not useful for me right now. And as you can see here, driver installation completed. Okay, and it is also saying please restart the computer before using your Wacom tablet. So I'm going to simply click here, then exit this installation, and this is asking to restart the window. Okay, so let's restart this. Click here restart now. Okay, so after installing the software and the driver of this Wacom tablet, let me show you what we have now. Click on the start button. Then as you can see here, we have, just a minute, we have Wacom preferences. So if you click here or open this Wacom preferences, then you will get a window for configuring your tablet. Or you can open this from control panel also. So just go to control panel, and there you will see Wacom preferences icon. So simply click here, and this window will be appear in your screen. So here you have two options. which we have already seen, left-handed and right-handed. If you are left-handed, then you can choose left-handed, and if you're right-handed, then you can choose right-handed. Okay, this means you can change the setting anytime. Okay, and the other thing is pen setting. Pen setting, you can configure your pen as well. Okay, so this is what we get if you install the software and driver. Thanks for watching.